You call us iPhone Matabang for the opening prayer.
Tagalog na lang pwede?
Bakit may palakpak? Prayer?
Ay, may prayer pa!
Pass. I say this prayer, please prepare tons of what?
Support.
Masunog kayo.
Hindi ito!
Dalawa yung kinuha ko.
Please go na. Let us all bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. Lord, first of all, we wholeheartedly thank you for letting us reach this hard-earned graduation day. We wouldn't be able to reach this far without your grace and guidance. Please bless this event which is about to happen, Lord God. May we successfully finish all our activities safe and sound, like how we planned it to be. Lord, may you also bless the bond and friendship we have built all throughout the training. Please bless this big family that we have here in Manulay, our trainers, our leaders, manager, and the rest of us. May this day be only just the beginning of many more gatherings that we'll be sharing with each other. And may you continue to shower us with your divine love, grace,